Hi everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I would like to show you one of our hot-selling valve assembly. Let's take a look for this one. And firstly, it is kind of VCI anti-rust bag, and the label printed with here, our Shumatt brand, and the product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ02035. For the logo, label, packages, etc., we can support customized service. Let's check it inside. And instead of it, we use the transparent bottles to prevent some hurt during the transportations. And that's the oil paper to wrap it up. Valve assembly. And for this one, it's applicable for 0445120 and 0445120 It's 120 series, China made brand new. For this valve assembly, this is the valve cap. If you look carefully, you'll find on there with the coating figures. And that's the valve rods. If you want to clean the valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. Each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. So much for today. If you want to know more, remember, feel free to contact us. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.